Hey guys, so here would be the ideal time slip for the 20-mile NASCAR series. But then, this is how it would be. So, it would be a zero, it would be 47 thousandths of a second reaction time on Pro Tree. A 128.60 foot, but could expect a 110.60 foot. Then a 366 with a 4 330. Eighth mile ET of 553 with a 7. Eighth mile per hour 128.44. 1,000 foot would be 7.144. Quarter mile would be 8.513. Then quarter mile would be mile per hour would be 164.31. So that's gonna be pretty daggum good. I think I found a way to calculate eighth mile to 1,000 foot mile per hour. I just need to find it again. So yeah, guys, hopefully you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And sadly, you don't get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. See y'all in the next upload live stream or YouTube short. And keep an eye out on the community tab. Bye guys.